Welcome back to our welding project series where we dive into the exciting world of metal fabrication. In this video, we are going to demonstrate an optimized welding project suitable for beginners and experts alike. We have condensed essential detail into concise guide to save time, keep the action following. Our project today focus on creating a steady and style garden trails using basic welding techniques, versatile structure, while not only enhance your garden aesthetic but also provide support for climbing, plain, whether you are noise welder, scenes pro. This project designed to be both appropriable and satisfying. A fantastic way to learn and practice your welding skills while creating something functional and visually appealing. Steroid or jobs, these will serve as main framework of your materials. Using metal components always prioritize satisfy your welding, so make sure you have welding helmet, gloves, and welding to ensure accurate cuts and placement for cleaning and preparing your metal pieces to hold your pieces in place during welding to protect your trails from rustic and enhance its experience. Being by design, our trails should proper using CAT program entertain to details being to design and trails to proper. Once we have two clear design mind to make your steel rods to according with use angles grant to make precise cut layout your cut pieces and flat surface to create a trails frame. Ensure that dimension match your designs using clamps to hold pieces together. Scotty to time start welding is viable to serious to tackle with contact frame component as key instruction. These help to maintain the structural integrity while allowing to adjustment in need. With the frame locked together, go ahead and fully weld them joint while along the entire length of each section, making sure to strong, concise speed, keep the welds neat, clean. Do not crush to step proper welds to essential for the trail's stability. Once your frame complete to the angle, grant to clean up any access while metal first smooth the joints, remove your rust and seals from metal surface to ensure proper adhesion when you paint the trails. Either you are now the welding or looking to refine your techniques, this project is great place to start. We will cover your safety precautions, essential tools and materials project and offer to practical tips along the way. You have not a fantastic welding project to be proud of, but also confidence to tackle more complex projects in the future. So grab your welding helmet and let's dive into the world of welding. We will cover essential safety precautions, best tools to materials, step-by-step instruction to create stunning welding masterpieces. So let's get spark flying. We explored the fascinating world of welding together. This while optimizing and engaging video. We will tackle the project itself, breaking down to process, and you have to weld your way to creating professional quality weld. Thank you so much for watching this video.